I'm back. Sorry, my line got tangled up, but I will try again. Little swim bait. Hopefully I'll get a bite this time. Give it a shot, one more shot here. Oh, I just got a bite. Holy crap. That was a good, oh, I got one. Oh, he flipped off. And you saw that in the video, thank God. Let's see if I can pull one out right here. Oh, got one. A little baby. He ate it though. There you go. Oh, he ate it. Like, ate it all the way. It's in the back of his throat. I was wondering what that was. Got it. He ate it pretty good, dadgummit. Good bass. Good little bass. There it is. There you go. Pale. These bass here are cold and pale. I don't understand why. But they are, and it's weird. But yeah, probably about 12 inches or so. Ooh, smells good. First bass I've caught in a while. First bass on a swim bait today. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let's go. Oh, it's a big one. It's a massive one. Oh my goodness. It's oh my gosh. It just got him.
Let's go.
Oh, he came off. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. That's even bigger. That's a massive one.
That's a chunky.
Woo. Woo. That's a nice one.
That is a chunkster.
0.88.
0.88 kilograms.
So we can look that up.
Probably like 2 pounds.
I'd say. How'd you catch? Oh, how'd you catch him? What were you doing?
What was that long cast?
2, 3. All right.
Swam away immediately.